What we're here today to talk about are hubs, home security hubs. We're going to compare SimpliSafe with Abode. Now, we've tested both of them. I prefer the SimpliSafe. Brandon likes the Abode. So right now, I'm going to knock it right over to Brandon, and he's going to talk a little bit about what he likes about the Abode. Take it away, Brandon.
Awesome, thanks, Colton. So the Abode is a do-it-yourself home security system, and it's great for someone that wants to monitor their home themselves, so you're not reliant on a professional monitoring service. So Abode does have two models now. The original gateway, as seen here, connected via Ethernet. This is more like a hub, something you would like keep in with your router and stuff in your basement there. And then now they have the Iota, which is something you would keep in your front entryway. Has a motion sensor as well as a camera built in and a speaker for two-way communication. And then this one connects over a Wi-Fi, so you can put it anywhere in your home.
So a quick question on the two-way communication. How would someone communicate with you from another touch point?
Yeah, so if someone were to break into your house, you would be able to see that on the live feed and then speak directly to them through this speaker.
Awesome.
And say, hey, don't steal my shit.
So would this be through your phone or through another device you have in a different room? Through your phone?
Yep.
That's awesome. And great that you can kind of just monitor that through your phone. Everybody's on their phone every day, almost all the time. It's kind of a bad habit to have. But with these type of technologies, that's fantastic. So even if you're out at the fair, out shopping, or even on vacation, you still have a pulse on what's going on in your home. Now, I love the SimpliSafe, but I'm going to talk to Brandon here a little bit about what he likes about this first, just to kind of give a perspective from his end on the SimpliSafe.
So from a technical side of things, the SimpliSafe is great just because it's very easy to set up. So it's perfect for someone that's coming from a system like ADT or Comcast. It's just a fraction of the price. And it is something that you would be able to take with you when you move. So to get it set up, you simply pull the tab there, and then it's going to walk you through. Don't pull the tab now, it's too soon. It'd be like pulling your parachute too early.
I feel like a flight attendant. Oh, and pull the cord. There you go.
And then through the handheld keypad there, it's going to walk you through setting up your sensors on your different windows and doors. And so they communicate very easily, and then you're up and running. The thing with SimpliSafe that I don't like though is that there isn't as many automations that you can build in. Whereas with Abode, they have the queue automation system, so you can do a little bit more with your smart home that way.
That's awesome. What I loved about the SimpliSafe is how everything you need is compact in this box. You get the hub, you get the touchpad, you get some sensors, you get a motion sensor. It's all right there, right in the box, and it's super easy to program into your home. For those who are not tech savvy, this is probably the best one to have because it is super easy and very user friendly to upload and get up and running to protect your home.
Yeah, I agree 100% on that. For the less tech savvy folk, or even for a gift for a family member, that SimpliSafe is definitely a great route to go. Home monitoring starts at about $15 a month. And if you want to add in the mobile alerts, so you can view the camera remotely, that would be an additional expense. So that would be $25 a month. So this is actually the system that my mom has installed in her house, and she absolutely loves it.
What's her address again?
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
But it is a great system. And so with SimpliSafe, they actually do have a doorbell similar to like Ring or Nest that you can install. And then they've got some other cameras available for interior of your home. So my mom likes that because she can check in on her dog while she's away and see what she's up to.
Awesome. So we're going to touch right back over to the Abode there. So what made you upgrade from the older version to the newer version?
Well, honestly, I just wanted to test it out, so I went ahead and got this one as well. I love the original Abode, and so now the Iota has all the same features plus a little bit more, so that's been great. One of my favorite things with this system is that you don't actually need to use a keypad or anything. My wife and I both have the app installed on our phone, and it works as a presence detector, and so as soon as we come in the geofence, it actually will disarm our system for us, and then at night we have it set to automatically rearm. So that's been great for us. We don't have to worry about the 60-second countdown and running out the door or anything like that, or scrambling to put in the code when we come in. It just automatically turns on and turns off.
That's awesome. Well, that's it for this. We are going to show some testing of these hubs in progress and in works, so be prepared for that next.
Because like the SimpliSafe, like out of the box, you honestly have enough stuff for your house.
Yeah.
Whereas this one, you gotta buy a couple more sensors because, like,
That one's still recording.
good. So you get the hub.
It's not here. It's empty.
You get the hub. You get the power adapter. You have this key fob, which honestly I would never really use because you can just use your geofencing. And then you only get one sensor, so right away you gotta buy more sensors. And these are like 20, 25 bucks a pop. So we only have 4 main exterior doors in our house. If we wanted to do our windows, it'd be like another 5 or so that are like ground level. I don't foresee someone taking a ladder to our house and breaking in that way. That would be kind of odd.
Although his address is...
Yes. The nice thing too that we didn't mention about both these hubs that does set them apart from other home automation setups is that they both have the ability to do cellular backup, so that is built into the hub, as well as a battery backup. So if someone were to say cut power to your house or disconnect your internet, you're still covered. You don't have to worry about that. Whereas like a system like Ring or any of those remotely monitored systems, if they cut your power and you don't have internet access, you're kind of dead in the water.
Yeah.
With the Abode Gateway or IOTA, you're able to set up queue automations. You can do things like automatically disarm when someone leaves, or arm when both people are home for the evening. You can also see your current status, timeline of activities. If you had cameras, they would show up here.